What's up, guys? Guess where I am? That's right, Fuddruckers. Either you know or you don't know. But if you don't know, I grew up in New Jersey, and Fuddruckers made the very best hamburgers on the planet. So they have a bakery, so they do fresh baked rolls every day. It's like a brioche roll, and they toast it with butter, really good high quality meat. And then they have like a toppings bar where you can go and do all your favorite toppings. So this is nowhere where we live. I had to come to Jersey. Christina's never had it before. Today's my birthday. Oh, thank you again for the birthday wishes. So for my birthday, she's like, what do you want to do? I said, I want to bring you to Fuddruckers. So here we are. When you first walk in, they give you these displays so you know what it is. So if you're like, I don't know if I want a pound burger, I mean, it's pretty massive. I don't know if it's doing it justice. Even as a hungry teenager, a half pound was totally fine. And they do a veggie, turkey, they got all kinds of stuff. All right, so here's the arcade. I'm not going to be partaking anymore. I'm an adult, so the arcade is the casino. But there is an arcade. All right, so I'm waiting for my order here. So they got the fresh toppings bar, all your burger stuffing, and then all the sauces you can imagine, including the hot cheese, which is where it's at. So when I was a kid, I always did pico de gallo, which is amazing. I'm probably not even pronouncing that right. And wet cheese. So we will see. Show you when it's all done. Right, got the food. This is how I like it. Ever since I was a kid, teenager, just amazing. Fries are endless, although I'm not going to load up on fries. A million sauces for it. And I got a little orange Fanta Zero. But yeah, this is what makes it. These homemade buns are just... So, happy birthday to me and Christina. So, that's it, guys. Just wanted to share with you. Let me know in the comment section. Have you ever been to a Fuddruckers? Do you regularly go? I don't know other locations. I did see that there's one in literally Mexico somewhere. So, who knows? Who knows where they are? But let me know down in the comment section. And if you've never been to a Fuddruckers, what's the best burger place you've ever been? I have to say my number 2 is Wayback Burger. Wayback double cheesy. That is it for me if I want a burger a little closer to me. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for... All right, now that I ate half of it, I can show you the inside. So this I ordered medium. It came out absolutely perfect. I know for some people that might be a little bit too pink, but it is perfectly cooked. It is the most wonderful thing. If you like cheeseburgers, hot damn, it is really it. And the toppings are just so fresh, just awesome. So anyway, that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. By the way, it is my birthday, so this is my last kind of cheat meal before I get back on that big diet. So this is one hell of a way to have a banger before I go into it's hard. Because in the new year, I'm really going to see results. So it won't be anything like this. This is my last memory of delicious food. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.